Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi and have Bluetooth enabled. This lets AirPlay discover the Mac. On the MacBook, open System Settings General AirPlay and Handoff and enable AirPlay Receiver for current user or everyone. Once done, on your iPhone swipe or pull down Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, and wait a moment for the MacBook name to appear. You're initiating the connection now so the Mac can accept the incoming stream. You tap the MacBook name to connect. The iPhone sends a handshake, and the Mac either prompts to allow the session or accepts automatically. Once connected, decide whether to mirror the iPhone screen or extend as a separate display. Mirroring duplicates content, extending gives extra workspace. On the Mac, open Display Settings to tweak resolution, rotation, or scaling to improve clarity and latency. Lower resolution reduces lag, so make that change. You end the session by tapping Stop Mirroring in Control Center or clicking the AirPlay icon on the Mac and disconnecting. If you want continuity, use Handoff to move supported app tasks between devices. It preserves your workflow. If things go wrong, first restart Wi-Fi on both devices and toggle AirPlay Receiver on the Mac. Reconnect to the same network and try again. If problems persist, reboot both devices. This clears temporary networking glitches and usually restores the AirPlay connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.